Do you know how to make a house and use some colors, whatever colors you want? Well, I'll show it today. I'm Aissa, so let's start this video. So you will need some colors here, a piece of paper and some pens, but you'll just use black from the pen. So let's start. You do a square everywhere, there you go, just like this. And now you're going to make, the door. Perfect. Maybe a little bit more to the door, just like that. And now a little door knock. And here a telephone number. Perfect. And now you're going to do the chimney, just like that. A door to get past. And now you're going to get whatever color you want. I just get a done old red. There you go. Color it. There you go. And now you're going to get a yellow. But how I said, you can get any color you want. There you go. Nearly to the end. And now I'm going to get a pink. Color it here. And now you're going to the other side. There you go. There you go. And now it looks like this. Well, do you like it? Doesn't it look like a house? Well, it does. Now you color it just until the end, like that. And now I'm going to get a green, a forest one, and color this with it. Perfect. Maybe a little bit more color here. Now get a black and color it. And now get a brown and color the door. There you go. And now it looks like this. If you have, look, is it nice? Well, I've made a house. Well, if you didn't know how to make a house, now you know. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then like. Bye-bye, friends.